Hi everyone, my name is Ajay Yadav and basically I am from Jharkhand. I have done graduation in BCA last year. After completing my graduation, I wanted to become a web developer, but that time I don't have not too much knowledge about software and how can I become a software developer. So I thought, why not should I go to Bangalore, because here in Bangalore so many institute who is going to provide uh, good software training. So I thought this, and finally I came to the Bangalore before 6 months ago. So and after coming here, I searched so many institute, but finally I got an institute that is called SDLC Training Institute, and I researched so many things about this institute, how they are going to provide training, and what's the facility is giving. So I researched so many things, and I came visited also there, and I discussed the management team, and he explained me very well what's the features and what's the quality of the trainer and how they are going to provide training and what's the facility available here. So I researched so many things. After researching, I thought this is a good institute for me, and even he is providing demo class. After demo class, he tells, after demo class you can join, and if you feel very well, then you can join here. Without demo class they don't tell anyone to join here. So these things I thought this is good for me, and I took demo class from my trainer name is Dinesh sir. He's awesome trainer, really. I say you, this is a good trainer for me, and he's giving real time training. He teach from basics, and he explained very well. So my class almost 70% done, and I think I can attend the interview. For now I am ready for interview, and I have confidence to crack the interview. So this is a right place for you. I recommend everyone, if you want to become a web developer, then you can come here and visit the SDLC Training Institute and research so many things, whatever queries in your mind. After resolving your query, you can join here. There is no forcing things here. First of all, I recommend you join the demo class, and see how trainer going to provide you training. So I recommend everyone, please come here and visit and take training and become a web developer. Thank you. Best of luck.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.